everyone, my name is Kriti, winner of Hot Mom Mrs. India Worldwide 2019, and I've also won the subtitle Mrs. Photogenic. We all have dreams, don't we? But in the long run, we all forget about them. With all the problems, responsibilities, the challenges that life throws at us, we just forget that we are the ones who are supposed to make our destinies. We are the ones who are supposed to design that path. And the same thing happened with me. I also had my fair share of challenges that life threw at me, and I just tried to fit in all the roles that I was supposed to, and I was doing it all well. But I forgot that I can actually have a balance to having a good career, to having my own personality and trying to fit in the roles as well. But I came out with flying colors, because after every challenge I came out as a better person. I held on to my strength, battling with the weight issues, hypothyroid. I had a slip disc, etc., etc. Having 2 kids, 2 cesarean sections, and I realized I was going stronger. And then I decided to embark on a new journey, which I wanted to go in, what I wanted to do, be it glamour, be it travel, be a nature lover, and I am doing it all now. And now I can say that happily, that at least I'm on that track, that when I'm dying and I look back, I'll be so happy and proud of myself. Wow, I did it, and I didn't play it safe. And this is what I want to share in the series of videos that I'll be coming up with on my YouTube channel, Unlock Life with Kriti. And here I'll be talking about a lot of topics like beauty, health, fitness, zindagi ke nuske, how to keep yourself motivated, grooming sessions for the pageants, and other topics which, please, you're most welcome to give your valuable suggestions and your feedback on what more topics I should cover. So I'll be needing all your love and support in my new journey. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, Unlock Your Life with Kriti. And please hit the bell icon so that you get instantly notified with the new videos that I'll be coming up with. Like my video, share it. So see you soon. Please wait for my video. Until then, take care of yourselves and your environment. Love you all. Love all. Bye-bye.